So if you're a medical biller or coder or RCM specialist, you're going to need your coding super squad. That's your coding arsenal, and that centers on 3 essential heroes. Your HCPCS book, your ICD-10 book, and your CPT book. Think of your ICD-10 book as your language for describing what's wrong. This is what's wrong with my patient. This is my CPT book. This is how it was fixed for the procedures. What's wrong with you, what we did to you, and then your HCPCS book is what we did it with. That's your bonus gear, your gadgets, those kinds of things. They're not just tools, they're your sidekicks for smooth, accurate, and properly reimbursed healthcare journeys. Your ICD-10 book is your diagnosis decoder. In creative terms, it's your cosmic dictionary of diseases and conditions. It's your global GPS that tells insurers and researchers exactly what's happening to the patient. Your CPT is your action catalog. Imagine a comic book movie list. Every medical action, procedure, or test has a numeric code in here. Maintained and copyrighted by the AMA, the CPT is how you explain what heroic deed the provider performed. And then your HCPCS book is your gadget guide, split into level 1, that's your CPT codes, and level 2, this covers everything that's not in CPT. These are your supplies, your equipment, your ambulance rides, and more. It's the stuff and services that support your main quest. Know your book roles. Your ICD-10 is diagnoses, your CPT is procedures, and your HCPCS is for extra supplies. What is wrong with you, what we did to you, and what we did it with. Stay current. New editions arrive annually, packed with updates and new codes. Always wield the latest volume to avoid billing denials or missed reimbursements. Master the code sets. Your CPT is action-focused, ICD-10 is diagnosis-based, and your HCPCS ties it all together for billing any extras.